What's up, Universe Sandbox 2 Nation? This is your host, Killer Spike Viper, and let's get right into the explosions today. Yes, it's time for more Universe Sandbox 2. That's my new intro now. Definitely using that every time now. Was it exactly 22 seconds long? Did I nail it? Well, we'll see. Oh wait, no, I needed the little spinning globe in the beginning. So maybe I should just make my own news channel for just gaming and all the views, and mine wouldn't actually be like completely biased and stuff too. Maybe that's an idea to hold on to. But hello and welcome guys back to Universe Sandbox 2, and yeah, let's look into what we're doing today. I actually got a ton of suggestions last time, so let's break into those suggestions as quickly as possible if I can find them. I swear I had them right here. I think I may have just well, it could be worse. They could have all been deleted off of YouTube because that happens, like 200 subscribers were, because yeah, YouTube purged subscribers again who were inactive, so I lost a few. Okay, here we go. This is it. So we have our first suggestion from the legendary Hillian, which is get the Earth and shrink it to 1 centimeter and then make it the size of Jupiter and then back to normal. Okay. Radius, centimeter. 1. Oh, it did tiny little Earth. Look at the tiny little Earth. Oh, it was like all molten for a second. Okay, so, well, now what are we doing? Make it the size of Jupiter. So let's go back to radius. Go to Jupiter. Lots of zeros here. We'll just do boop. Now Earth should have the radius of Jupiter. Black hole. And then put it back to normal. Yeah, something is not going well for Earth. Oh, I did not mean to mess with mass. Oops. Well, I guess normal does pretty much mean normal, so just make it absolutely normal, you know. Oh, jeez. Did not mean to do that. It's okay, guys. That was intended. That's what was supposed to happen. So let's go on to the next suggestion by Planet Dino Boy 21. Name the Earth the Sun. Ooh, that'll trick 'em. Quickly, let's confuse all the astronomers. Ready? Whoa, wait. Oh, I almost actually flipped that. I almost messed up the simplest thing. The sun. Ha ha ha. They have been, I don't think it's supposed to have just sun. They're all tricked now. Which one is it? The bright one or the tiny blue one? The world may never know. Next up, play Pokemon. Yes, since my last video, Pokemon Go was a huge success and Nintendo's market shares have risen 25% and stuff, but we're not going to, I don't even know how I would put that on my channel. Okay, so, let's go down a tiny bit. Divide by 0. John Cena. Okay. Could you try, by General Impa, this may seem like a silly request, don't worry, they all are, But could you try to see what happens when two black holes are near each other? Now, how near are we talking? I'll just, oops. There we go. I'll just get pretty close. Boop. Boop. Whee! Look at them go. Best friends for life, because this will literally never change. They'll just be traveling together, using their mass to fling each other off in this direction forever. Endeavor. 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 That actually seems like a pretty boring life, but you know, black holes have a nice life. They don't have to worry about anything. Ever. Okay, so next up, what are we going to do? Make more city skylines. I'm planning on it. That's actually the next. The thumbnail is so clickbait. Yeah, it is. Sorry about that. But, you know, these days, clickbait is somewhat of a norm, so, yeah. I may have just dropped a water bottle into my computer, and that crunch was the fan exploding. Let 10 Galaxies Collide next episode by the Black Cat Gaming and Music. Okay. This is going to kill my computer. I just want to say it up front. But we'll just do Andromeda, because who doesn't like Andromeda? Let's just go 1, 2, okay, the frame rate drops beginning. 3, 4, 5, 6. When I place them, nothing actually happens for a few seconds, so I think that's enough. Yeah, I think we're going to have to turn this down a little bit, unless someone mails me like the new GTX 1080. If you want to mail me one of those, go ahead. I'm great with that. I won't complain at all. But we at least have to do better than the Milky Way versus Andromeda one, so we'll try 3, which doesn't seem to be too bad. But I'm questioning how fast we can make it go before it starts lagging out very badly. I mean, they're moving slightly. You know, I think we're just going to have to settle for the galaxy collision, which is actually probably optimized much better than those galaxies. We wait for it. Wait for it. Whoa. Boop. And they explode. Boop de whoop. I think there would have been a better sound effect than boop, but you know, I've already done quasars. Philosophical science. I will keep going down because they're all hate comments. No, I'm joking. And next up we have a 6,000 Earth collision for my 6,000 subscriber special, I guess. Let's do this. I'm sorry, computer, but it's been asked. Do I actually have to count? So we're nearing about 100 now, and we're at 15 FPS. Okay, so over 100 Earth collision. Doo. Yeah, may not have been 6,000, but that is still quite a few. We don't really need the labels since they're all Earth. Or even the trails. We can just know the trails are kind of important so we can see what's going on. Oh, that Earth hit that Earth, and now that Earth's gonna hit those Earths. That's gonna hit that Earth, and then that happens, and then Earth dies in a fire. Someone also suggested that I switch to managed CPU. Did that improve my FPS? 26-ish to 27-ish. Nope, that did not help. Let's just turn off multi-core. Who needs multiple cores? Let's just leave this how it is. It's freaking the heck out, but that's okay. Look at them all go. Okay, so it's pretty beautiful. So let's go down, 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 down. Let's find the next suggestion. This time I'll just be looking in this video's comments for suggestions because, you know, that's just easier. So, let's see. Jojo Games asks, throw a black hole at the sun. But which black hole? I guess I'll just go with the most modest of them. Just the 1 million sun. We have the target in sight. We are ready to fire. We have fired. So, right off the bat, nothing's really happening. The black hole is moving in. Uranus, Neptune are being pulled in. Jupiter is still going strong. Actually, I'm not sure if they really are. It looks like they're being pulled off course a little bit. I think everything is being tweaked a little bit. Let's let it continue to get closer and closer. So, nothing's still really happening here. Yeah, this definitely isn't circular anymore. Neither is Saturn. They are going towards it. Jupiter is being pulled towards it, and along with the sun and everything else. Let's check Earth's temperature. Not terrible. I mean, its orbit is being thrown off a bit, but it's not enough to really destroy anything. Just a slight ice age. Very slight ice age. It's okay. Canada just, that's what Canada looks like anyways, so it's all good. And let's continue watching this get closer and closer. It's almost over. The world is about to end. Well, the solar system's about to end. Things are being pulled up now. It's in like a corkscrew. This is it. The final stretch. Everything's going to end now. It's the end. Now let's quickly check Earth again. It's actually warming up. I don't think this is going to actually hit the sun. I think it's going to miss and just slingshot it. could be wrong, but it looks like it's off. Nope, it's going to hit. And the sun has been eaten. Instantly, well, everything's gone dark, technically. There is a fake light source on the side of the Earth now, though. But realistically, it would be very dark. Now the black hole is going to begin exerting its gravity over the planets instead of the sun. Oh, why are there millions of years going on per second? Nothing's really happening. What appears that this kind of crashed. There you go, after deleting the black hole, it seems to be better. So now, nothing's going to be really eaten by the black hole. But Earth is now cooling down, and that slight ice age from before has become kind of bad. You know, Mexico is frozen. South America is still doing pretty well. India is doing pretty well. Now, global warming is now over. The ice cap has come back. And, Africa is now frozen. South America is still kind of alive, though. So guys, if this ever happens, move to South America. You will survive, somewhat. So now I'm pretty sure all land has frozen over. Nope, not completely. I can see a tiny bit of green left in South America. So soon, it's already happening. The ocean is beginning to freeze near the coasts. The ice cap is moving down too. So let's go forwards a bit, and let's stop it now. So now basically the ice cap is the largest landmass, and there are still lights. People are still alive. Not really, but oh, is there any? I can't really tell. I'm gonna have to go for another. It's currently negative 14 degrees everywhere, but thankfully I'm still alive because I bought like 80 toasters before this, and I'm just toasting everything I can find to keep my house warm. That's how you survive, guys. Just need a lot of toasters. Oh, that's it. The Earth is now frozen solid, but it's okay. I'll get us out of this. Spook Vooper is here to save you. Saving you! I've done it! I've saved us all! You're all saved. You're welcome. You're welcome, world. I may have slightly made things worse. Nope. Oh. That is just a little bit of collateral damage. Nothing to be worried about. Look at that. Earth is still slightly alive. Just ignore this. I just made a new continent, you know, so that people could live there. And I made some new lakes all over the place. Just quickly let the Earth recover from that. So yeah, look, fresh water everywhere. Everyone has fresh water. Heck, even Saudi Arabia has a lake now. A giant lake. Africa has some lakes. Look at this bay over here. It's real nice. And America, looking good, America. Mexico survived. Florida, the East Coast, all good. 3 new lakes. South America looking good too. Kind of changed slightly, but for the most part I saved the world. So guys, that's it. If you ever need the world saved, just call me. I can fix it all. Gotta fix them all. Okay, so you can see now that there were slight amounts of damage done from me, but you know, they were very small compared to the amount of good that was done. So guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want more, and also comment on what you want done, because if you do comment and like and subscribe, you have a very good chance of getting a little shout out and getting your idea used in the next Universe Sandbox 2 video. So, congratulations for watching this video. You have survived somewhat. You just live in this little crater here with me. And, goodbye. I'm now your ruler. You have nowhere to run.